Hey guys! So today we're going to be doing numbers and I'm going to introduce y'all to addition and subtraction. So hope y'all have had a good day. Let's get right into it, okay? So first we're going to review our numbers. So I'm going to write a number on the board. You're going to tell me what it is. If you know it, raise your hand, okay? So what is this number? What'd you say? 8. Yes. What about this number? Whoops. What did you say? Number 4? Yes. What about this one? You might know that one. Number 1? Yes. Good job. What about this one? Y'all know what that is? No, it's not a number 9. It looks like a 9. It could be if you turned it that way. What about this way? Number 6? Good job. That's okay. That's why we review. What about this number? Do y'all know? Number 5. Good job. Y'all are doing really good. What about this number? What number is that? 0? Good job. Alright, last one for review, and then we're going to jump into new stuff, okay? What about this number? What number is that, guys? Number 10? Good job. Alright, we're going to do one more little thing with those, and then we're going to move on, okay? So let's go in order. So we got number 1. What number is that? Number 2. Number 3. I'm going to have y'all count now. Number 4. Good job, guys. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And of course, number 10. Alright guys, so now we're going to introduce addition and subtraction. So for addition, what you're going to have 2 numbers. And so they're going to add to make one whole number. So they're going to add to make a sum, which you don't need to know that yet. That's okay. We're going to just introduce that new topic. You'll cover that probably later on, whatever else. Okay? So, and then for subtraction, we're going to have 2 numbers as well. But instead of adding, we're going to subtract them. So you're going to have one number and then you're going to take away from it. And then your total is going to be a difference. Which again, this is beyond those years. That's okay. You'll get there. So, for today, I brought Sharpies. Different color Sharpies to kind of show y'all how that works, whatever else. So, let's say for example, we have a purple and a green. So, if I have one purple and one green, and then I add these together, I'm going to have 1, 2. So then that's going to be 1, that 1 purple, plus that 1 green, 2 all together. So that's your sum, the 2 of these. Does that make sense? Tell me if I need to slow down. Okay? So now we're going to have 1 purple, 1 green, and then let's add, what about this peach color? So let's say we have, how many of these do we have? So I have 1, 2, 3. So those 3 all together. So then you had that 1 purple, the 1 green, and then the 1 peach. So then 1 plus 1. So 1, 2, and then 1 purple. So then 1, 2, 3. Make sense? Okay, let's keep moving. Y'all getting this really fast, so that's good. Let's change the colors. Let's do this Carolina blue with this tan color and pink, and let's add the purple back in. So now I'm gonna have that 1 blue, the 1 tan, 1 pink, and 1 purple. Okay, so if I have 1 blue, that's 1. I'm gonna add the tan, so that's 2. I'm gonna add the pink, that's 3. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna add the purple. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay. So let's keep going. Let's add navy. So we're gonna have 1 navy, the 1 purple, the 1 pink, the 1 tan, and the 1 blue. So if we add all of these together, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count that again. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay. Let's add something tricky. Let's say I have these 3 and I have these 2 over here. So we're gonna have 1 purple, 1 blue, 1 tan over here, and then we're gonna have 1 pink and 1 navy over here. So let's say I have 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna add these 2. So then you're still gonna have that 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So you're still gonna have that 5 all together. So that was 3 plus 2 gives you 5, instead of the 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's do, let me think. Okay. Add more colors. So now I have a dark pink, I have a dark blue, I have a light blue, whoops, I have a light purple, pink, navy, and tan. I'm running out of hand room. So let's say I have these 4 and these 3 over here. So I'm going to have 1 tan, 1 navy, 1 pink. So all together that's going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay? Stay with me. So there's these 3. I'm going to put these to the side for right now. And then on this side, I have 1 purple, 1 blue, 1 dark blue, and 1 dark pink. So then all together, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I have these 4, and then let's add these on. So then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will the next number be? 7. Good job. So you're going to have 7 altogether. Let's do one with all the markers I have. So we're going to use all these, and then we're going to add these 4 as well. So let's do, okay. Let's say I have this dark blue, this red, this dark pink, this teal color, light green, and then this peach. Okay, so all together I have 1, 2, good job. What's the next number? 3, good job. 3, and then 4, 5, and then what's the next number? Anybody? 6, good job. Okay, so there's 6, and then let's add one of these. So I'm now gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one was hiding. So now I have 7. So then let's add this one. So then I'm going to have 1. Hold on. Let's do it this way. I'm running out of hand room, guys. It's okay. So let's say I have all of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay? So then I have these 8. So then let's add these last 2. So then all together, how many do I have? Let's count them together, okay? So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all together, we had 10. Okay? I'm going to do a little bit of subtraction, which we might not get all this done today. That's okay. So let's say I have 1 green. I have 1 dark pink, the dark purple bluish color, and then the tan color. So let's say I have all of these. So that would be, y'all count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4 altogether. Okay? And let's say I take these away. So so y'all see these? Act like these didn't exist. So now how many do I have left? What do y'all think? 2? Yeah, let's count it to make sure though. So we're going to have 1, 2. Okay? So let's keep going. Let's add one more marker. So let's say I have 1 purple, 1 tan, 1 dark blue. We're going to call it dark blue now. And then let's say I have this dark pink and this green. So let's say, how many do I have all together? All right, we're going to count them together. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Let's say I take these 3 away. So how many do I have left? 1, 2. So I'm going to have 2 left. Okay? Let's make it a little tricky, okay? Justin been getting this really well, which I'm really happy. Let's do all of these, okay? So I'm gonna have tan, dark pink, purple, teal, dark blue, light blue, green, and pink. Okay? So let's say I have all together. Let's do that. Okay, y'all count them with me. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 altogether. Okay? So let's say I take away all of those. Whoops. How many do I have left? Anybody? 1. Good job. So let's keep making this a little bit harder. Like I said, y'all are getting this really, really well. So let's do. So I'm gonna have pink, green, peach, red, light blue, teal, light purple, tan, and dark blue. Okay, so how many do I have all together? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if I have 9 all together, so let's say I take away these 3, okay? So now, how many do I have left? Let's see. I got 1, so that 1 pink, 2, the 1 purple, 3, the 1 tan, 4, the 1 peach, 5, the light blue, and then 6, the light purple. So altogether, I had 6. Let's see. Let's go back.